And now I don't know why she won't say goodbye. But it seems that I have seen in her eyes, and it might not be wise. It seems hard to try. We don't really love me here inside. I can't deny. I just can't let it die. 'Cause her like mine, and see her spin inside. So if you ask me why she wouldn't say goodbye, I know somewhere inside there is a special light, still celebrate and able to darkness night. She can't deny. So if you somewhere near me, I like to call her, hear me. There's no one else gonna make me ever make me feel alive. I hope she never leave me. Please God, you must believe me. I am the only reason for myself within her eyes. No matter how I try to say it's all I like, so what's the use of mine? 'Cause it's nowhere to cry of vision that will die in my heart. So if you're somewhere near me, I hope you come to hear me. There's no one else gonna ever make me feel so alive. I hope she never leave me. Please God, you must believe me. If you're here near us, you can find myself within her eyes. Whatever.